Yes, you'd actually end up in the town of Hanapepe. It's a neat little town, art galleries, local food restaurants, that sort of thing. You'd almost think it's a bit of a ghost town if you're going through there now. Back in the day was the place where everybody hung out when they got off work in the sugar fields. Hanapepe was the place to be. Been made a little more famous in recent years just because Lilo, from Lilo and Stitch, the movie, is from Hanapepe town. Speaking of movies, we're going upstream here, and if you've seen the first Jurassic Park movie, which was released in 1993, then you've actually seen this part of the valley. About 10 minutes into that film, there's a helicopter flying up this valley, just like we are now. They go on to land at this big waterfall here off the right side. After the helicopter lands, people inside of it hop out, they get into some jeeps, go see dinosaurs for the first time in the movie. We call it Jurassic Falls. We're just coming up over this ridgeline here. We've got a nice view of the southwest side of the island from here. All of this land belongs to the Robinson family. It includes everything from the ocean to the summit, everything from Hanapepe Valley, which we just came out of, out to almost Waimea Canyon, which we haven't gotten to yet. The family came out here in the 1860s and they bought the island of Ni'ihau, which is there on the horizon to the southwest. It's the 8th island in the Hawaiian chain. They started a cattle ranch out there, but it didn't take them long to realize that that wasn't going to be a good spot for it because it's too dry. So they came over here to Kauai. They bought the land beneath us. They built this house off the right side of the helicopter. Call that the Makaveli house. Makaveli sits about 1,800 feet above sea level. It is the original homestead, and it's actually where the Robinsons would spend their summer months, but cooler upslope here. And then they actually had another house down along the water's edge in a place called Kapalavai. That's where they would spend their winters. A little bit warmer downslope. You can tell just by looking out the windows here, though, that this land is pretty undeveloped. There aren't any neighborhoods or town centers or shopping malls or anything like that out here. The Robinson family from the beginning has been committed to conservation of the land and preservation of its culture. Maybe the best example of that still is Ni'ihau. They do own the island to this day. The island has only one village on it. It's called Pu'uvai. The people that live in Pu'uvai speak native Hawaiian, and many of them are descendants of the original Ni'ihauans, the first Polynesians to settle that island. This is Olokele Canyon beneath us.
And the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. And the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Ooh, someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. And the dreams that you did to, oh why can...
Hey Marshall, what's with the orange string on the windshield?
Oh, that's our trim string. It's sort of a backup in this helicopter. It helps us let us know that we're in trim, not yawn too much to the right or left. We're just using the 500 here for actual trim, but if that were to break for whatever reason, we have the string as a backup.
Cool. All right, thanks.
Yeah. Just coming into Waimea Canyon. This is sometimes called the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. The dirt out here is sort of a reddish color. Reddish orange. The volcanic rock has a high iron content. As that iron is eroding at the surface, it oxidizes and the ground is rusting.
What a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
We're going to cross over the top of the Waimea River, which flows downstream towards the ocean. It actually meets the ocean at the town of Waimea. Waimea town is the site of the first European landing in the Hawaiian Islands. Captain James Cook set foot there in 1778. He was not looking for Hawaii. He was looking for the Northwest Passage. He was on his third exploration journey in the Pacific Ocean on behalf of the English crown when he just accidentally stumbled upon the island of Kauai.
Way up high, the dreams that you dare to, why